You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this gland. If you want to learn more medical terms and names from anatomy, make sure to stay tuned. Sorry, my voice is a bit tired today. 2 different pronunciations for you in English that are used, British English in the UK. Bartholin, Bartholin, yes, with a T sound and a Lin sound, Bartholin. Now, more commonly in the US, American English pronunciation is as Bartholin, Bartholin. So that's the pronunciation of the name. Now, the full phrase is either Bartholin's gland or Bartholin's gland. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.